Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to remove suggested on Messenger. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, I will simply show you what the issue is. If you go ahead, then simply open up the Messenger app, and at the very top you can see the search box. If I tap on the search box, basically you would able to see the option call it suggested, which means that these are well listed, all of the suggested people on your Messenger app, and let's say that you want to simply remove those. Well, in order to that, first of all, make sure you have updated the Messenger app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store. In the search box, typing in Messenger, go ahead and simply either download or update the Messenger app. Once you have updated Messenger, now I am going to go over and then open the Messenger app basically, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account now. What you have to do is simply tap on your profile icon, which is on the top left corner of the screen. As you tap on the profile icon and come to your profile page, you will see a list of all these options. Over here you will find this option which says phone contacts. So go ahead and simply select this option which says phone contacts, tap on it, and the very first thing we want to make sure is that you can see this button which has upload contacts. We will simply tap on it and make sure that we have actually turned it off. So in your case it could be turned in just like this. You could have allowed permission before. You have to tap on it and then simply tune it off by tapping on this button. And the other thing you have to do is you have to tap and manage contacts. And if you have previously synced all of the contacts, what you would need to do is simply delete all contacts. So tap over here which says delete all contacts button. So tap on it and then you will be able to see a list. All the contacts is going to be deleted automatically, and you can see it says you don't have any imported contacts information. And this is how you can remove suggested on Messenger and also unsync your contacts. So this is the way how to remove suggested on Messenger. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.